Good morning. In today's class, we will be talking about mental ability and reasoning part. This topic is very easy and scoring also, but we need some type of practice for it. And I will be taking this topic for the CET examination that is conducted by GGS IPU. And I would like to tell you that this topic will carry the weightage of 25%. So do not miss this topic. Now, we will be moving on forward, but this is the very easy topic. Now, the question is saying that select the related word from the given alternatives. Now, it is saying that we have to select the alternatives. The first part is Muslim is related to Quran. What about the Jews? I would not be telling you the answer just because we need to know something more. And the more is thing like these are the religious books. Now, the religious books of Hindu is, all of you know that, Ramayana. What about the Muslims? Quran. Now, Christian is Bible. We have one more thing, that is Sikh. Guru Granth Sahib. Now, one more thing is left, that what about the Jews? They are having a religious book called Torah. So the answer is this part. I will be highlighting it with yellow thing. Now this is the answer. To attempt this part, we should know about all these things. Alright, let's move on forward. We will be dealing these topics like this way only. Alright, now we are having some pairs. 4 pairs of clustered letters have been given, out of which 3 are alike in some manner and 1 is different. So we have to find the different one. Now select the one that is different. So whenever these types of questions are there, first of all, for you, you just have to write what? Just write the alphabets like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. Now let's find the relations between them. This is UX and SZ. Let's find where is UX. U is here, X is Z. And what about S? S is here and Z is there. Now to find the relation, I'm easily able to find one relation, and that relation is like, see the difference between S and U. If I do -2 in U, we get S, like S is related to U. Now if I do +2 in this part, I get Z. So this thing is related by this thing. Alright, now let's check this thing in this part. P should be related to N. Where is P? P is here, N is here. If I do -2, I get N. This is correct. Now S should be related to U. Where is S? S is here and U is here. If I do +2 over here, I get this part. This is also done, this is also done. Now what about Q and N? Let me like change the pencil color. Q and N. Q is here, N is here. If I do -3 over here, then I get N. Otherwise I do not get N. So there is some trick inside this thing. Like this I will not attempt further, because this will like take some time in the examination and I do not waste time in the exam. Now let's check the last part. This is H and F. What about this is H and F? If I do -2, I get this part. This part is correct, this part is correct, this part is correct. This is the different one. I'll just highlight it with a yellow part. Alright, you just have to be like very thorough with all these kind of things, so that you know all the patterns and you do not miss out time in the examination. Now the very next question that is there on the screen is like, Ram, Rinku, Rahul and Rohit play different sports. Okay, there are how many students? 4. Like I just rename it Ram, Rinku, Rahul and Rohit. Alright, they play different kind of sports. Now Rahul does not play cricket and football. Okay, that is does not category. Rohit does not play tennis or badminton. Okay, that is also right. Ram plays badminton. So I'll simply write Ram plays badminton. Okay. Rinku plays cricket. Rinku plays what? Cricket. Now let's see the part of Rahul. Rahul does not play cricket and football. Cricket is already occupied, and he does not play football also. One student is here, that is right. He should play football. And I don't have to read the further question ahead now because I have 4 sports. Which one is left now? Tell me. Tennis. So in further part, if any questions come related to any students about their sports, you will be easily able to do it if you are having this kind of table. This is the benefit of having this kind of table. Now the question here, it said that who among the 4 play football? Who plays the football? So Rohit plays the football, and Rohit is here. Alright, this thing is clear to all of you. Now we will be moving on forward, and the next question is very easy, by the way. Like, these are the series types of question that you will get it in the examination. Now 49 and 100, like how much of difference is there? 49 and 100, difference of 51. If I add 51, I get simply 100. And what is the difference between 100 and 151? Again 51. All right, now what is the difference between 151 and 200? Again the difference is 51. So like the next step should be, I should do plus 51. The next answer should be here. So 202 plus 51, this will be 3, this will be 5, and this will be 2. The answer is this part. Again I'll just do highlight it with this thing. Alright, this thing is clear. Now this part is very good now, because like this is a comprehension type of question. Like in this part, question will be same, and like different parts will be there. So we just have to, first of all, we just have to like frame the table that we have done earlier. Now it is saying that there are 4 friends, Radhe, Venki, Kumar and Nandi. Okay, now what we have to do is, like, I'll just write the name Radhe, Venki, Kumar and Nandi. Is this clear? Now Radhe and Venki play football. Alright, they play what? They play football. After that, Radhe studies commerce. Like Radhe and Venki play football. Radhe studies commerce. Radhe studies commerce. Now Nandi is a boxer. I am just writing whatever thing that is provided to me in the question. Now both the football players study mathematics. So both the football players studies what? Mathematics. I'll just simply write maths. Now one football player also study physics. So there is a football player who also study physics. Okay, so this part is left. I like PHY for physics. Alright, now what I have it, the boxer studies mathematics and accountancy. Who is the boxer over here? Nandi. Now boxer plays what? Maths and accountancy. Maths and accountancy. Now all friends study 2 subjects and play 1 game. All study 2 subjects, like this is the first subject, this is the second subject, and they play the sport also. So one of the friend is a cricketer and study chemistry and biology. The one of the friend, whose friend is left? Like this one is left, Kumar is left. He studies what? He is a cricketer. I'll just write cricket, and he study chemistry and, you know the thing, say along with me, okay? And biology. Alright, this thing is clear. Now our mind is very clear. I don't have to waste time. I just have to move on forward. The forward thing is, who is the cricketer? You can literally see on the screen who is the cricketer. So cricketer is Kumar. So the answer should be Kumar. Alright. Now I just copy this thing for you for the further part. I'll just copy it. Now let's copy. Same set of question is again ahead. Alright. I just paste it here. Now, name the person who is not a boxer but studies both chemistry and biology. There's a person who is not a boxer but studies what? Chemistry and biology. So, is not a boxer but studies chemistry and biology. What is the answer then? The answer is again Kumar. Alright, again just highlighted with a yellow part. Alright, students, you just have to do one thing. You don't have to take screenshot, you don't have to write anything, just study along with me, because mind is a thing that stays with you. Like if you will start taking screenshot, it will be just in the gallery. You just have to understand. I will be providing a PDF just below the video. You can download the. Alright, now moving on forward, who studies commerce and play football? I'll paste it again. Who studies commerce and plays football? The main thing is Radhe. Radhe plays this thing. Alright, now moving on further, the question here that is given to us is this thing. Naina, Pariksha, Yash, Uma, Isha and Gauri are sitting, alright, and they are sitting around a round table. Okay, just make a round table. Like this is a round table. Round table is here now. How many students are there? While just like reading the name, I have calculated all the things. There are 6 students, alright. I just make them sit here. Alright, this thing is clear. Now, Pariksha is between Uma and Yash. Okay? This is Uma and this is Yash. Okay? Pariksha is sitting between them. Okay? Pariksha is here. Alright, let's move on to the further part. Gauri is between Naina and Yash. Where is Gauri? Like Yash is here, so Gauri should be between Naina and Yash, and Naina should be here. So where should be Gauri? Gauri should be here. Alright, now one student is left and one seat is also left. That name is Isha. Alright, now let's moving on forward. Gauri is to the left of Naina. Suppose that Naina is facing here in the center. So the right of Naina will be this part and left of Naina will be this part. And question is saying that Gauri is sitting to the left of Naina. So I have made this table correctly. Alright. Now the question is it is saying that who is to the left of Isha? If Isha is facing this side, so this is the right of Isha and this is the left of Isha. So Naina is sitting to the left of Isha. Alright. So Naina should be the answer. Now moving on forward. Yeah, this part is very easy and you just have to concentrate more on this part. Alright. Now this question is saying that it was a Sunday on January 1st. It's January 1st 2006. Now the question is asking like it is a Sunday. So the question is asking that what would be the day on January 1st 2010. Alright, 2010. Like the date he is asking us. So what should be the approach? If I just start calculating January, February, March, April, May, June, it will be a very tricky part. Just for that, I just have to have some pre-setted mind that should be there with me. And that thing is an ordinary year and a leap year. What is the difference between ordinary year and a leap year? An ordinary year is having 365 days. That is equivalent to 52 weeks and 1 day. Alright, now moving on forward, this is I'm talking about leap year. Leap year is having 366 days, that is 52 week and 2 days. Alright, this thing is clear now. Moving on forward, it is saying that I just have to tell that which day is on January 1st 2010. For the more information, I would like to tell you that 2008 was a leap year day. Alright, and 2007 was not a leap year day. So I was having 1 day as extra like this part. I was having 2 days as extra on this part. Like 2006 2006 was having one day, 2009 was having one day as extra. All right, now let's move on forward. Like for example, I am saying you that like today is Monday. All right, today is Monday. I just ask you that ki after 1 week what would be the day? It will be Monday again. So I don't have to focus here because it will be just making my time like run. All right, I just have to focus on these parts. If I just calculate this thing, this is 2 plus 1, 1 plus 1, this is 5. So after 5 days the day will be Friday, and this is the answer. Friday will be the answer. I'll just highlight it. Friday is there in the option. Okay, Friday is the answer. This thing is clear to all of you? Okay. If you're not able to understand, just look back to this part again. All right, please mind you all that if you'll just start like searching for the answer, you will not get anything over here. You just have to focus your mind. You just spend a lot of time in the questions, and questions will tell you a lot of things. All right, it's a give and take relationship. Now moving on forward, like this question, like this question is very easy again. No. I will be using, like this is a blood relation type of a question. I will be using certain types of symbols that makes the question very easy, and that symbols are like I use a square for male. Whosoever is male, I just make a square around him, and whosoever is a female, I made a circle. Suppose that they are married, I play a double dash, and they are unmarried, I play a single dash. If I play a like vertical line like this shows that there is a gender gap. Like suppose I am here and my father, like between me and my father, I like play a dash like that. All right, this will be a generation gap. All right, now let's move on to the question. What the question is saying, just have a look. In a family of 6 person, A, B, C, D, E, and F. All right, C is the father of A, C is the father of B. All right, C is the father, so C is the father of B, and I do not know the gender of B, that's why I'm just putting nothing over here. C is the father, and father is always a male, that's why I've just make a box over here. All right, now A is the mother of F. I'm just making one more side over here, like A is here, A is the mother of F. Okay, now D is the son of B, D is the son of B, and D is the son, so it should be a male. D is the son, and this is showing a gender gap, generation gap, sorry. E is the mother-in-law of B's wife. Like the wife of B should be like here, and who is the mother-in-law? E is the mother-in-law. This thing is clear, and mother-in-law should be a female. Now F is the sister of D. F is what? Is the sister of D, sister of D. All right, how is C related to E? What is left? First of all, A is left over here. And how is C related to E? C is here and E is here. How is C related to E? Please mind you all, in the question it is asking how is C related to E, not E related to C. C, after like saying that C is the husband of E. All right, if I say that how is E related to C, the answer will be different, like E is the wife of C. All right, but in the question it is asking that how is C related to E. In these types of question, like when we are in a hurry, we just tend to like overlook all these part and we just quickly mark the answers. Here you get the negative points. All right, so the answer here is husband. This thing is clear. Now moving on forward, this question is like related to mathematics, and any person can attempt this part. All right, while writing all the natural numbers from 1 to 100, like this question is saying that I am writing natural numbers from 1 to 100, how many times do we write 7? All right, just write the numbers that are containing 7. Write with me. All right, This is 7, 17, 27, 37, 47, 57, 67. After that we have 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. After that we have 87 and 97. And in the question it was asking that how many times do we write 7. So let's just count it, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 20. So answer should be 20. I'm just highlighting this 20, and please note that in this question we are having two options, like that is 20 and 19. If you are in a very hurry, you will miss out this 7 and 7. Like it is asking that how many times we are writing 7, and this is having 2 7 in it. All right, so 20 should be the answer. Now moving on forward, this question is having some geography imbibed in it. All right, before moving on this to this part, I would like to just give you some overlook over this part. Like whenever on a map, like this arrow is written, this indicates the north side, and opposite to north we have south, on the right we have east, and on the left we have west. All right, now moving on forward, like this thing is saying that a man walks 10 kilometers towards north. Like suppose there is a man and he is walking towards the north for 10 kilometers. Now then turns towards east and walks 5 kilometers. Like towards east he walk 5 kilometers. All right, this is also okay. He again turns to the right and walks 7 kilometers. He again turn to the right and walk 7 kilometers. Now and he again to the right and walk 5 kilometers again to the right and walk 5 kilometers again. Now where does he stand now with respect to the starting point? Like this is the starting point, and now the question is asking like where he is standing. Now you have to tell me. I'm just giving you some time. Like he is like standing 3 kilometers towards the north. All right, this is very easy. I'm just highlighting again with a yellow pen. Now moving on forward, and this might be the very last part, and after the video you have to like do a lot of questions related to this part, because there is no end for the mental aptitude questions. All right, now this thing is saying that like after 7 we are getting 9. I'll just quickly write all these values over here because I need some spacing just to make you understand. This is saying 7, 9, 13, 21, 37 and a question mark over here. Like suppose just find the gap between them. Like this is a gap of 2, and what about this? The gap is 4. What about this? Quickly subtract. The gap is what? 8. Now subtract. The gap is 16. Now what should be the gap? Now you should know the like what is going on over here. This is 2 square, 2 cube, 2 ki power 4 and 2 ki power 5. There should be a difference of 32. Like if you just add 32 in 37, this will become 9, this will become 6, 9. Okay, the answer should be this part. Alright students, like this is how we attempt the mental aptitude questions, and you have to just practice, and you can just take all these types of questions like early in the morning when your brain is very sharp and it is very relaxed. All right, just do all these kind of questions, you will be able to clear the CET. All the best. Thank you.